Thank fuck I've got some good mates, because I left here last night thinking, what have I done to myself? What have I done? It was getting real late and I was fucking, I don't know really what I was doing really. But I painted, you can probably still, I don't know if you can still see it in these videos, but you can still see my New Zealand silhouette in the background and it's alright. But I had red, no, I'll show you, you'll see the photos, it was fucking ugly as fuck. So, hallelujah. Chris just gave it a green base and we're going to start again. So that's pretty cool. Happy with that. Yeah, wow. Just trying too hard last night. That's life though. Here we are now. Sort of see the, what I was going for yesterday was the New Zealand as the camo, but probably still do something like that. To be continued.